Welcome to the GITA Summit 2026. Hi, I'm Taylor Glass from Glamp Launch and I'm here today with Vicky Jones at Tractors and Cream.
We have got a super exciting day planned for the GITA Spring Summit. We're starting off with yoga, then we've got some workshops, we've got some keynote speakers, we've got lunch, we've got more keynote speaking slots, some more workshops, and then we're straight into pizza and silent disco, and I cannot wait, I'm so excited.
I am so excited as well.
I think this has perfectly summed up exactly what GITA is all about. You know, we've had phenomenal speakers. I mean, just, you know, people with so much knowledge of different industries, but, you know, specifically on glamping. And again, it's years and years worth of knowledge just being given freely in a really friendly environment. You know, it's been great fun just wandering around chatting to the members, the other directors and suppliers. And it's been fantastic. You know, it's just been a really lovely atmosphere and a lovely day.
It is quite lonely being in the glamping industry when you kind of sat there on your own. And what I really enjoyed was the glamping show every year. Got to meet other people, chat to people, that sort of stuff. When it came to the trade association, I got in contact with John and we realised, you know, we're all this big, huge community and there's no single voice. You know, everybody's doing their own things independently and we needed some way to, not only to elevate standards in the glamping industry, but also, like we've been talking about today, is speaking to central government on topics that affect the glamping industry. And that's really what we're here for, bringing everybody together and getting that point across when we need to.
Absolutely brilliant days out, and we've got the weather as well, which is fantastic. We've had an insurance type meeting already. We've had a industry, what's going on in the industry, what the figures are saying, what people are booking. That was absolutely phenomenal, and it's just a really, really informative day, and it's a brilliant organisation to be part of. I mean, the background, the support, the friendships you meet is just, you know, unparalleled. It's really, really good, really good.
Yeah, I've had a great time. I always pick up little tidbits of information, these things that I can take back to the business and hopefully put into force. And we had a good, nice little campfire last night. It was nice, had a few drinks with the guys. I got a bit of a conversation going with, has anybody ever had any bad or weird customers and reviews? So that got people laughing for about half an hour.
You mentioned earlier on that you currently aren't actually a member yet, but after seeing the summit today and seeing everything that we put together for the industry, how do you feel about becoming a member, and do you think that's something that you'll do?
Yeah, no, definitely. I just think it's been good. It's just the nudge that I needed to part with the cash, you know. No, but I can see the value. I've always seen the value in working in partnership and cooperating and sharing knowledge, and that's definitely the spirit of the event.
One, it was something that me and my business partner talked about doing for a very long time. We felt that the industry was at a point where it really needed to kind of galvanise, and rather than be in a position where we were being told by kind of councils, government, how to run our businesses, we felt it was very important to have a voice. And we started down the line of setting up our own association, but soon realised the vastness of doing that. And then when Derry put a post out on Facebook about, let's all get together, let's start talking about it, John and I jumped on the opportunity, and so that's the main reason. And we just wanted to help and support other businesses and just be a part of a community that is already helping people, but this gives us a really good opportunity to really talk to people face to face, events like this, the Glamping Show, and connect with each other, and just make the industry as strong as it can be.
Yeah, I think that's great, because before this, a lot of people felt a little bit isolated in running their business. Maybe that's how you and John felt as well. So having a community like this where everyone can come together, post questions to each other, get answers and feedback, it's really beneficial, because most industries already have trade associations like this, but the glamping industry up until now didn't. So I think that what we're doing is very special. And where do you see like the future of GITA actually going over, say, the next 5 to 10 years? What is it you really think we can achieve?
Well, events like this are super important. Events like this bring people together, and I'm hoping that we'll be able to increase the membership, where if we can increase the membership and bring more people in, we will become stronger. The industry will become a better place. And in terms of the glamping industry as a whole, it can only be a good thing. So yeah, I'm hoping by the end of this year it'd be nice to be able to double our membership numbers. That's what I'd really hope. And I think once people start to see the kind of stuff we've been doing here today, and the kind of conversations we've been having, and I mean the quality of the conversations that have been going on here, and it isn't just about that. We've had a lot of fun as well. It's been brilliant. Yeah, it's been so good, and we've also had the weather, which has been great. Yeah. So I think that's where we're going to be pushing for as an organisation, and that's where I really hope it goes.
Yeah, I've been very impressed with the event. It was much bigger and more organised than we were expecting. So
amazingly well organised. I actually think the organisers deserve props, and especially because we've been to a few things like the Land Leisure and Tourism Show, and just horrible things in the NEC. And it's so nice to come somewhere pleasant, and everyone's really nice. It's a great atmosphere, so much better than normal.
Yeah, I think it's good to be part of a recognised trade body within the glamping industry. We stand for really high standards and quality, and I like to think that everyone else that's in the trade membership does that as well. So I think it's really good, and great to meet other suppliers, network, find out what's going on in the industry. We like to push boundaries and kind of redefine a little bit what glamping is. So it's good to see what everyone else is up to as well.
Well, to be honest, I think the organisation is all about small businesses getting together with a small and realistic trade association, and the value that I've had from talking to people since we've arrived has been tremendous.
If there's any other suppliers that are watching this that might be interested in joining GITA, what would you say to those guys?
I'd say crack on and get involved with the webinars.
Well, I'd get in early. It's a bit of a punt if you haven't started operating, but by the time you've gone through your own struggles and got operating, you've probably come across 80% of the issues that you're going to come across in your entire business, and so having assistance, help, and support in that planning process is a real boon.
Get in touch, find out more, and give it a go.
I would say connect with John. Connect with Vicky, connect with yourself, connect with the directors, have a chat, join in. I haven't joined in on any of the webinars. I will do, and test it. Test it out for yourself.
Get on board. It's a great organisation. The bigger we are, the stronger we are. So yeah, sign up.
Perfect. Great. Thank you very much, Martin.
Cheers.
We have just wrapped up our first ever GITA Summit, which took place on the 12th of May 2026. It was an excellent day, lots of great networking, lots of great events, and everyone had an amazing time. If you are interested in becoming a member of GITA, we would love to have you on board. Please visit us at gitauk.org/join. The link will be in the description. I am now going to go and take part in a silent disco, and then afterwards we're going to all sit around the campfire and we're all going to have a great time. Thank you for watching. Taylor Glass out.